Okay, we have a Hardinge vertical machining center, model VMC 600, Roman numeral 2. Serial number NVA 310. This machine was new in 2000. It's original paint. We're going to run it for you. Machine has 23.62 inches of X travel, 20.08 of Y, and 20.08 of Z. Right now he's running the spindle at 2,000 RPM. It goes up to 8,000. 5,000 RPM, very quiet. Machine has a Cat 40 spindle. 6,500 RPM. It's got a FANUC control with FANUC motors and drives. We are simulating a tool change. It is a umbrella style 20 ATC, 20 tool capacity. It's got a T-slotted table, 20 by 29 and a half, 1,540 capacity. Right there he is rapiding. There's the X and your Y. All axes are quiet. Telescopic weight covers all axes as well. All right, hey, thank you for watching our video.